Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the coolant temperature sensor on a Mark 6 Ford Fiesta. Now, I'm going to just start the video by saying, if you do like what you see, then can you please subscribe and try and before the end of the year to get 1,000 subscribers. You know, now I'm getting loads of views but nobody's subscribing, and the channel is growing but it's just the subscribers have completely stagnated. So now with that over, let's get the show on the road. First thing you've got to do is remove the airbox. Pretty simple. 2 10mm bolts on the top. You've got the intake hose. So you've got the pipe that goes from the airbox down to the throttle body. And to remove that, a pair of these pliers comes in really handy. So once you've disconnected that, just at the side of it, next to the oil fill, you've got a small little PCV hose that just pulls out. Then, some pull up, and it comes off the 2 little studs at the back. Don't know if you can see them there. The 2 little studs that comes off. Right, so once you've removed the airbox, next thing to remove, which technically you don't have to, but if you leave it there it's going to take forever trying to get around it, and that is the coil pack. Now it's just 4 T25 torque bolts. So as you can see, this is now free. Now you don't remove any of these cables, because if you remove these and you get them in the wrong order, your car won't start or it'll misfire and it'll just run like crap. So keep all these where they are. But you can, if you want, remove the spark plugs, and there's just a little metal clip that you push in and pull, and that will then remove the electrical connection. And that, just there. So this thing is the sensor, and it's just one clip. So it's a 19mm nut, and thankfully, as you can see, you can actually get the wrench right over the electrical connection, which is good. Before we remove that though, what you want to do is open the expansion tank to make sure it's not pressurised, and also make sure that the engine's pretty cool before you do this. If you really wanted to, you could put a catch can underneath to catch any coolant that comes out, because coolant will come out of this. But if you have the new one ready to quickly put in, hopefully you can see now the sensor is loose and it's coming out. Tighten that up a bit. Now I am starting to get some coolant coming out, so we'll have to be quick. So there we go, it's in. Now, just tighten it up again. So remember, when you started loosening it, this wasn't all the way in. It's pretty tight now, so I don't want to tighten it anymore in case I crack this, because that will be bad news. So now connect the sensor back up. So what we've got to do is reconnect up the coil pack. It's pretty easy. Just push the electrical connector back on. Line up the bolt holes and start screwing it down. Now don't tighten them all down straight away, just get the bolts in. At least until you've got all 4 of them in, snugged right down. Then go round and tighten them up. So now they're all in, snug down. What you do, just a little nip up. Now, this distributor's only the coil pack's only plastic and it will crack very easy. Once you've done that, connect your spark plugs again, and then you can then just reattach your airbox. Give it a firm push down so it locates back over the studs. Install the 2 bolts that hold the airbox in place. No, they don't need to be tight, just snug down. Put the cap back on the expansion tank. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you change the coolant temperature sensor in a Ford Fiesta MK6. So if you enjoyed this video, then remember, please like, share and subscribe. Catch you in my next video. See you later and goodbye.